Hi, I'm Monica and I attended the Magnetic Geodes Mentorship with Ro. It was an amazing experience and I have a lot of favorite things, but I would say my biggest three are the sense of community that I got with the people in our group. And it was really great to be in creation mode myself and have other people in creation mode around me at the same time and get inspiration from each other and see what everybody else is doing and just share and learn from each other. Another aspect that I loved was my own freedom to create that Ro gave me as well as everybody else in the class. And it was kind of like whatever you want to try to imagine, you can go with. And she guides us with as much care and love as possible and also allows us to kind of like do our own thing. And the third thing really is that just all the information that Ro so generously shared with us to really help us not only succeeding in making the pieces that we worked on here, but also if we want to take this forward to help us move on with that too. And all of the other areas of knowledge and expertise and growth that she had to share with us. It was really a gift. If you're considering this training, I can't recommend it more highly. The whole experience has just been its own sense transformational. And not only did we get to take like a blank board and create art from it, but I think it's transformational personally too when you get to get in that creation space and with the guidance of Ro helping nurture, you know, that creative space for us. Like it's amazing. And I think if anyone is even just a little bit inclined to do it, they should look into it and do it. Just do it.